Ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM haka khatlai tarik jeliu kalapan kup burom yaki prapun ringut ki samla puli ki bawan haka kerdan ke basyakmat haka exam SSLC but HSSLC jong ka Meghalaya Board 2026 haka jingelang ke Balalong Ha State Convention Center Shillong. Haka ni ke program layadon lang kiri upau khmat ke jela ki bakentup ya ka Justice Revati Mohite Dere, Chief Justice ke Yingka Syari Meghalaya High Court, Dr. Manas Chaudhry Managing Director ka Shillong Times, Ba Meral Bons Im MLA Nongpo, CP Marak Chairman Meghalaya Lokayukta, ringkat kiriu syempang bat pau khmat haka puli puthi bat kiwei-kiwei. Habakran haga jingelang ka Justice Revati Mohite Dere, kala ai kublai kini kisamla ki bawan syakmat bat kala penslur bat ai mensim yaki bakin ya syakmat kenang bakin la ban pen urlong yaki jing angnut jongki da ka jinglong bajanai ka jingkut jingmut bat ka jing skos kem ya ka jingkit khli haka imlang salang. U Chancellor ka USTM U Mabubul Hok haka jingkren ulapan pau biang ya ka jingkut jingmut jong ka skul ba ban Kristian ya ki samla pule ka jela Meghalaya ki bawan syakmat lingba ki scholarship baper bat ki boj haka liang kilat jing pule bathamai. Haba kedo halor ke jingkiu jong ke jingjob hapadeng ki samla ke jela haki competitive exams. U Chancellor ulakren syapang ka payback policy ka USTM ha ke baki samla pule ki bapas ya ki competitive exams bakongsan bat ki bapoi syakathong ki basyalor ki yo ya ka khusnam lingba ka jingsiu ya ka bai luksan bat ki wei ki jing mentoi ha ka liang ki jing pule. Ula kedoru ba katto ka ningut ki samla pule na Meghalaya kilala ban lebha lingba ka ni ka sinjam balashim kabapan iya ke jing roy jong ke jela ha ka liang ka puli puthi bat ka mensim yale. U Chancellor ulapan benaru baki topa jong ka board kin yo bandrung klem don kam jing siu syaka BAAG Bachelor of Arts in Administration and Governance ka basau snem hapo ka USTM IAS Academy. Ya kini ke program lashna penwandur na kebenta kisamla puli ki bakwa bandrung Sya ki civil service bat hakikam sensyar khadar. Kani ke program ka peniaso langru ya ke jing pule babunjat haki kerdan pule undergraduate harengkat bat ki jing hikai bala bu renti na ke benta ban yakhun ya ki exam UPSC bat ki weki competitive exams. Hagani ke singi kini ki prapun ringut ki samla na ke leng ke jela Meghalaya ki layok pediang ya ki certificate ki momento bat ka khusnam da ka pisa ka bakot sanlak kum ka jing itu ya ka jingla ka jongki haka liang ka jing pule.
For all the northeastern space, but especially as we are in the state of Meghalaya, we always host this particular program for the students. We have announced that the students, if they opt any kind of programs at USTM, will be completely offering free of cost, including the hostel fees. Especially, we have designed a curriculum, BA Administration and Governance, focusing for cracking UPSC examinations. Already one student have joined with us from the toppers category, 8th rank student of arts, he joined with us. So this is an appeal to all the parents that if they are interested for such kind of courses and under the mentorship of experts from all over the country, those who are staying in our campus, this is one thing. We have seen that university is offering almost 20% of the total intake, either free education or concessional education, those who are meritorious poor students.